Let's take a look at number 3 from our workshop. Which 3 statements can be represented by the expression 24 divided by 4? Select all that apply. I saw so many smart friends immediately label their equation to identify the total and our groups or amount in each. Problems like this can be tricky because we have to think through every single answer choice to decide, does this situation match our expression? I noticed that a lot of you had trouble with this type of problem because you did not represent every answer choice. Representing helps us see with our eyes what is being described in words. So let's try it together. Delapo makes 24 muffins. He gives away 4 muffins. How could you represent the situation? Say it out loud. I heard many of you represented by drawing an equation 24 minus 4, or drawing 24 dots and crossing out 4 to represent the amount he gave away. 24 minus 4 is not the same as 24 divided by 4. So I know this statement does not match. You try it for letter B. Go ahead. Does this situation match 24 divided by 4? How do you know? I heard you say that you tried representing by drawing 4 trucks in a group and then drawing groups of 4 until you got to our total of 24. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Nice work. This situation does represent a total of 24 divided into groups of 4. So this situation matches our expression. Team, we won't go through every single answer choice, but it's important as you work through multiple choice to always remember that representing is going to help you see what each situation looks like to help you decide, does the situation match my expression? Keep that in mind as you move into your exit ticket.